Now we're going to make this really elegant pew bow that can actually double as a wedding favor. So now I'm going to take my gold Bowdabra bow wire, I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to cut off a piece. And I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath just so they're out of my way. The next thing I'm going to do, this is going to be my tail. So I'm just going to, because I have a couple of tails actually in this. So I'm just going to lay that down in here. Then I'm also going to lay this really, really pretty dove ribbon, and I'm just going to scrunch that down into the middle there. So now I have my tails. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I have this very light, you might not even be able to see, tool that I've doubled with the beautiful gold ribbon. So I'm going to, because I want to get the gold that's in this ribbon. So I'm just going to keep it doubled. I'm going to twist it so the wrong side of my bow is inside of the Bowdabra. I'm going to fold it back and I'm going to twist. Make that bow a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to fold it back and twist. And I'm just going to finish by keeping the right side up and just push that into my bow. Then I'm going to take my wand and just push my wand down into my Bowdabra, because we still have a lot more ribbon, and I'm just going to cut the end here. Then I'm going to take my tool and I'm just going to fold the tool back and forth. I'm just going to leave a very long tail, and you'll see why in a minute. So now I'm going to just take my Bowdabra wand and scrunch everything down again. And now I'm just going to add another piece of tulle as another end. And then I'm going to take my other tails, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything down again. Bring my Bowdabra bow wire up to the top, pull this through my slip knot, hold my bow tightly in the Bowdabra as I pull my Bowdabra bow wire really tight. I'm going to pull it out, separate the ends, and bring it around to the back. And I'm going to tie a knot. And I'm going to leave the wire so I could use that to tie onto the pew. And I'm going to start shaping my bow. And now what I'm going to do is take this tail that I added, because I want this tail to be tied onto my little keepsake heart. So I'm going to just pull this all the way in here, tie a little knot here so it definitely will stay. And now you have this elegant pew bow with a wonderful little keepsake for your wedding guests. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.